The survey method I chose to utilize was Google Forms. In my Google form, I asked them 5 questions and I asked for their email address so that I would know who to send it to, and I can see who answered what for each response. You can also make this anonymous though if you just want a general understanding of your classroom and not specific students. So what questions I included were just background knowledge about the solar system, so I would know what the students' comfort levels were, or in this case, just my friends, what their comfort levels were with the subject and their previous knowledge. And then I also asked them questions like what is their favorite subjects and what are their preferred methods of learning, so in order to better enhance the learning experience for them. And then I also asked them what question they would have, so then I wanted to aid to their curiosity and answer their own specific questions so they are more engaged in the lesson. In the next tab, you can look at their responses, and you can either look at the responses as a whole, or you can also look at the individuals, and you can just scroll through by pressing the buttons, and each of their individual results will come in. But I think for classes, it is probably more important and more useful to look at the summary of them all. So the first way to look at results is there's a lot of circle graphs, and this is really good for like multiple choice. However, there are just lists whenever there's like a short answer. But in my other short answer, it is viewed as a bar graph because there was one response that 2 people had the same answer. But as you can see, I kind of like the list method better, so you can just view them. However, if multiple people ask the same question and they were all completely different, then I think the bar graph would be more useful. I really like the circle graph because you can see that the majority of the responses were that they really preferred in-class games, so I'd probably be more apt to utilize that versus online games because that is blue and no one really likes.